Here is our shingle installation process, step by step. We start by placing our safety protocol and then proceed to remove all the old shingles. Now we apply ice and water shield around all edges and then synthetic underlayment. Next up, very important, is the starter strips along with the metal valleys to prevent and reassure any water leaks in the future. We then shingle the whole roof, making sure every spot is good to go, and then comes the small details like shingle caps, plumbing stacking, bathroom and kitchen vents. As always, leave it to the pros.